today we're going to have a quick look at Roman workbenches. And it has to be said the Roman workbench is exactly the same as a modern workbench. Just a plank, 4 legs, you can see on this smaller version. Just tapped in. Does the job, a man can sit on it quite easily. And if we look at the relief from the Ixiom room in Pompeii, we can see that we're using what appears to be steel pins to secure the workpiece. There we are. And of course we have the bench hold fast. Also an example from Pompeii, I think. We just secure the workpiece with a tap. There we are. Ready to use. Use a saw on it. Modern workbenches are somewhat beautifully made, but it has to be said that no need to do so whatsoever. It's just a piece of plank, and I think in many cases they would have used reclaimed woodwork for it. It may only last 6 or 7 months and then you throw it away and make a new one. In fact, there's a fragment of a bench found in a well at Saalburg upon which this one is based, and that looks to appear, well, appears to be a piece of reused woodwork from somewhere else. But there you have it, the very, very simple Roman workbenches.